Hello student. In the last lecture, we have studied Venn diagrams, subset, universal set, complement of set and practice set 1.3. Today, we are going to start operations on sets. First, intersection of two sets. Suppose A and B are two sets. The set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and B. Set of all common elements of A and B is called the intersection of set A and B, and it is denoted as A intersection B and read as A intersection B. See here one example. Set A is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 9, 11 and 13. Curly bracket complete. B is equal to curly bracket 1, 9, 11 curly bracket complete. Two sets, set A and set B are given. The elements which are common 1, 9 and 11. The elements 1, 9 and 11 are common in set A and set B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to curly bracket 1, 9, 11 curly bracket complete. Right? But set B is also having same number, curly bracket B 1, 9, 11. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to set B. Means here the set B is the subset of set A. See here Venn diagram also. Set B. Which elements are in the set B? 1, 9 and 11. And set A having which element? 1, 3, 9, 11 and 13. Then the intersection of set A and set B is what? Curly bracket 1, 9 and 11. Okay. See the next one. Disjoint set. Let A is equal to curly bracket 1, 3, 5, 9 curly bracket complete. B is equal to curly bracket 2, 4, 8 are given. Confirm that not a single element is common in set A and set B. Any element, any number is common in these two sets? No one number. Then these sets are completely different from each other, and so the set A and set B are disjoint sets. We have to denote here, observe its Venn diagram also. Set A, for this I have to draw one circle. In that denote the elements 1, 3, 5, 9. Set B denoted by Venn diagram, draw again one circle, separate circle, which elements are 2, 4 and 8. Understood this one? Now see the next one, operations on set. Union of two sets. Let A and B be two given sets. Then the set of all elements of set A and B is called union of two sets. Let A and B be the two given set. Then set of all elements of set A and B is called union of two sets, and it is written as A union B, and it is read as A union B. A union B is equal to what? Curly bracket X such that X belongs to A, means X is an element of A or X is an element of B. See here one example. A is equal to curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curly bracket complete. Set B is equal to curly bracket 2, 3. Two sets are given. right? Write down the union of these two sets, means A union B. Which elements are there? All elements together. Then 1 A union B is equal to curly bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 curly bracket complete. This is the A union B. And also observe the Venn diagram of this A union B. Okay. See that last topic of this lesson, number of elements in a set. Student, see here this one formula. This is the formula. N of in bracket A union B bracket complete is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Whereas N of A is what? The number of elements in set A. N of B means what? The number of elements in set B. N of A union B means what? The number of elements in union of set A and set B. And N of A intersection B means what? The number of elements in the intersection of set A and set B. Okay, I repeat this formula. N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. See here practice set 1.4. First one question. What is the given thing here? If N of A means number of element of set A is equal to 15. N of A union B means number of element of A union B is 29. N of A intersection B is equal to 7. Then find out N of B means number of elements in set B. First, you write down that formula. What is the formula? N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Then next step is what? Substitute the values. N of A union B is 29 is equal to N of A is equal to 15, then 15 plus you find out N of B, so write down as it is N of B minus N of A intersection B is 7, so write down here minus 7. Then shifting the numbers, 29 minus 15 plus 7 is equal to N of B. Now take the subtraction and then addition. 29 minus 15, 14 plus 7. 14 plus 7 you get 21. Therefore N of B is equal to 21. Thank you student.